This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, so all of you, good morning. So let's start discuss about the strings and string handling. Strings and string handling. So what about array? Do we discussed around 1 week, 1 week or 8 days we spent on arrays. What arrays are doing, what strings are doing, and remember carefully. Without arrays, without strings, there is no application development. Definitely, how much you are using array methods, the same way we use string methods also, 100%. Okay, we forget about array destructure and object destructure. We will discuss at some point. No worries about it. Right, when you have some free time, we will discuss them. Right, strings are very important, like arrays. As I told you, arrays are heart of JavaScript, na? Right. Finally, I observed after discussing 8 session, I got one short point about the array. What is the short point about the array? Let me tell you. Arrays are always deals with the data of the application. It's all about data, the string data or numerical data, whatever it may be, data about the application. For example, I send a request to server. I send a request to server for getting data. So if I send a request to server, how they will send data to me? Do you know? In the form of array of objects. You will get the data in the form of array of objects. Okay? Arrays always deals with the data of the application. You want to insert data, you want to delete data, you want to create new record, you want to do any updations or any changes in the data. Is all about data operations. It's done by using the in application. For example, you are creating an account, you are logged into an application. If you want to log into application, you are entering your username and password, right? That is data. You are entering username and password. The entered username and password, I want to verify this data is available in the array or not. In the array, I have list of users. Array, I have list of users. In the list of users, are you available? Okay, I will send you to home page. If you're not available, I will send you some other page. So this is what exactly the concept of array. Array means dealing with the data of the application. One point, in short point, if you want to tell me the all about the arrays after discussing 8 to 10 sessions, I got one clarity. What is the array ante? It will deal with the data. Array of objects. Remember the word carefully. Array of objects. Mostly 99% of the application data will be available in array inside objects. 99%. See, let me show you one of the sample application. I want to show you some sample API. JSON placeholder typical. This is one website actually. In this website, we have some sample data. I'm requesting. Actually, this website is created in Node.js. This website is created in Node.js. I just want to request some data from this website. Now, if we can go to the users, see, we're getting data now. How the data is going to be? This is what square bracket. What it is going to be called? Object. Object, the first object. This is going to be the second object. If you can go down, you will see the second object. This is the second object like this. All the data is coming like this. Here pretty print. What is pretty print? If I click this, oh, it will become like this. See, all the data will be right. So this is going to be the first object. Up to where first object? Here, no? Oh, not this is here, I believe. The first object, yeah. Up to here is the first object. I don't know, but if you want to copy this code, uh, formatter will be there, JSON formatter. Yeah, you can keep the code here inside, right? You can keep the code. You see, on the right side, you see how this is coming. This is a object one, object two, object three, object four. You see how data is structurally coming to us like this. Okay, now, right? Can you see this? You see, how many records are there? There are 10 records are there. How data will always come to you if you are sending any request to anybody and in the form of array of objects. Keep it in mind. Don't forget this. In future, you are going to do lot of examples on this array of objects only. Don't forget about it. Okay. Right. Chalo. Yeah. What is the next one that I want to go for here? Right. Strings and string handling. And why strings are Array is for data. Array deal with data. Why strings? 1 point. Anybody? String handling methods. There are something called string handling methods. String handling methods are available. String handling methods are used to implement the security of the data. So data is coming and the data should be secured now. How can you make the data secure? By using string methods only. String is providing lot of methods. By using those methods, we can make the data secure. We can remove the unwanted characters from the string. How can we remove? How can we replace unwanted characters? And data should be 10 characters only, 10 digits only. Some symbols should be there. How do we validate all these things? Ante by using string handling methods only. Array deal with the data ante whatever the data we are entering into the array, the data should be secured or not. Without security, will you insert data into array? Application may hack if you are doing so. That means what? If you are dealing with the data or data is entered by a user, you are entering data. So if you are entering genuine data, that's fine. But if you are not entering genuine data, so every user cannot enter the genuine data. You see what I want to tell you here. For example, in this I have contact form. See, I'm entering the name because I'm a very good user. Some people, what they will do, they will write this H1 tab open, H1 tab close. Did you try any time like this? Because you didn't try like this because you're a good user. If you're a good user, will they award you? No. Why should I be a good user? Let me try to some miscellaneous data to hack the application. Some people, if I ask you to enter the name, they are writing script tab open, script tab close. In the script, they are writing the code like this, adding the code like this. What shall we do in this point of time? See the problem? Got it? All right, this type of things. Users, hackers will do this. But we are good user. That's why if they ask the name, you will enter the name. But what hacker will do? Hacker will never do like this. Hacker will always add some kind of different data, always to attack the database or to inject something into the database. They will try like this. They won't do like this actually. Okay, right. You have to be very careful here in the context. So this data we entered like this. But on submit, what I want to do, I want to remove all the tags. I want to remove all the tags and I want to save it in the database. How can we remove the tags from the data? This is the data you entered. Before inserting into an array, I have to remove all the data cleaned. And we have to clean up the data, we have to sanitize the data, then we have to insert the data into an array. That array will insert the data into database. How do we do it? By using string methods only. String like array deals with the collection of records. String deals with the each and every record data security. We will say like this. So I want to generate OTP. Write a logic to generate the OTP. Sending OTP is different. Generating logic is different. Generate a strong password. OTP 6 characters OTP I want to generate. Or generate a strong password. How can you generate a strong password? Right, by using the string handling methods only. Right. Let us talk about these methods. There are what is a strings guide? A string is represented always in collection of strings are represented in double quotes or single quotes. Okay, strings are represented either in single quote or double quote. And over you write like this in single quote. Welcome to day, something like this. You write either single quote or double quote. Strings are created in one more way. There is a third way, but we will never use this way. We can also create strings using an object. By using an object, it's not recommended. It's not recommended and not recommended You can go and check this. No, it's not recommended. Const str is equal to new string. You can write like this also, but we don't want to use this. Okay, na? Generally, what is preferable thing? Const or letter str is equal to hello world. This is a way of creating a string always in the real time, either in single quote, either in double quote. So these two are always preferable way of creating the strings. This is also a third way of creating string, but this is not recommended. It will occupy more memory. That's why we are not going to use this. The always preferable thing is what? Simply in single quote or double quote is the way of creating the strings. Totally, in how many ways we can create the strings? Three ways: single quote, double quote, by using an object. Right. This is a three ways of creating a string. Right. Okay. Done. Right. Let's create a new file. Strings.html is the file I'm creating. Open script and close. Let us take a variable. Let str is equal to welcome to JavaScript. Welcome to JavaScript. In arrays, we discussed some methods. Same methods available in string also. Index of, last index of, includes. We discussed the three methods. No? Same three methods available here also. Slice method is also available here. Available here, no? Right? Some methods, we will check them. Right? The first property, length. How to find the length of a string in array? How to find the length of a string? Array dot length the same way. Str dot length is a property. Right? By using length property, we can find the length of a string. Do you want to write the definition? Okay, let us write the definition. Let me save the file first of all. Strings. Yeah, write the point by using length property. By using length property. By using length property, we can find the total. We can find the length of a string. Length of a string. We can find the length of a string. We can find the length of a string and we can find the length of a string. We can find the length of a string. So what is the length of a string? Now you see console log or document write anything. Console.log. Now I'm going to write it. We can check this file. What is the output I'm going to get? Yeah. So console press F12. What is the length of the string? 21 characters. 21 in the sense welcome contains 7, which is 2, 11, and this is going to be space is also a character. Space is also counted. Space is also a character kada. What is the ASCII value of space? ASCII value of the space 32. The space is also a character, so that ASCII value is available. So two spaces plus the remaining are going to be 19 characters. That's why this is going to be 21. Length is going to be 21. So otherwise you just write up to here. It is going to be 7, 7. So I'm writing welcome space 2. What is the length? 10, including space kada. Including space is going to be 10. After that it is going to be JavaScript. How many? JavaScript is 10. 10 plus 10, 20. plus again one space 21. You know, so like this we are going to have the length of the string. Okay, right, next one. Convert the string into uppercase. What is the method? str dot to uppercase. To uppercase is a method. So to upper U capital case to C capital, very important. Otherwise it is going to be error. So we have to write as it is. String dot to uppercase. Now all the string is going to be converted into uppercase. If you want to convert it into lowercase, then to, obviously the method is going to be to lowercase. I'm not writing any definitions for it. You write it simply two lowercase. I think you understand together what is two uppercase and what is two lowercase. Yeah, you're getting the two uppercase and two lowercase. And convert the string completely into lowercase, convert the string completely into uppercase. Okay, now right, two uppercase and two lowercase. A brackets method kada. Length is a property. Very good question. So he's asking, sir, parenthesis, I adding brackets here. Is it mandatory? Length is a property. Two uppercase, lowercase is a method. Method means what? At the end of it, there should be parenthesis, na? Method is parenthesis. In array also, you're writing array dot length. We are not using parenthesis. Why? Because length is a property. Okay? String is an object. Array is an object. What is an object? Ante collection of properties, collection of methods. In an object, in an object, if you have a method or if you have a property, how do we access a property and a method? Right? Simple thing. Length is a property. Two uppercase and two lowercase is a method. ఇప్పుడు ఇలా రాసినా కూడా ఎర్రర్ రావాలి ఇక్కడ. ఎర్రర్ వస్తుందా? ఏమైనా ఎర్రర్ వస్తుందో చూడండి. లెంత్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ, చూడండి, str dot length is not a function. What is then? Length is a property. ఓకే, నా ఇప్పుడు ఇంకొకటి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసి మీరు తీసేశారు. టూ uppercase parenthesis తీసేశారు. I removed the parenthesis. Now what is the error message? Two uppercase native code it is giving. It is not executing anything. Actually native case is what? It is suggesting like a function actually. Two uppercase is a function, it's not a property. So then when you are writing the case, now you see you will get the output called something like this. Two uppercase, two lowercase, str dot length. Okay, every object law there are some properties, there are some methods. There are some properties, there are some methods. Array have one property length, string have one property called length. Common properties called length. Okay now? Right. Next one. Next method. I'm not writing any definition to it. To what is the method, guys? Here I have written. Okay, just write this. Two uppercase. I'm not writing any definition. You just go with it. No need to write definition, kada. You will understand, right? Two uppercase, two lowercase. What they will do until you convert the string into uppercase, will convert the string into lowercase. That's all. Okay, right. Next one is going to be very important method is going to be first. Can you tell me about this method? Can you tell me about this method? Where did you learn? Where did you learn this method? Is the method of string the array na? Array ne? I discussed this method in array. What is the purpose of this method? Converting. Yes, please tell me. Using this method, we can convert an array into a string. Correct? మరి అక్కడ ఇంకొక మెథడ్ కూడా ఉంది. ఏంటి ఆ మెథడ్? టూ స్ట్రింగ్ మెథడ్. ఈ టూ స్ట్రింగ్ మెథడ్ కూడా ఏం చేస్తుందండి చెప్పండి? వాట్ ఇట్ విల్ డూ? సేమ్. మరి రెండు మెథడ్స్ ఎందుకు? వాట్ ఇస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ? జాయిన్ మెథడ్ యాక్సెప్ట్ ఏ పారామీటర్. ఓకే, జాయిన్ మెథడ్ మర్చిపోయారు కదా. జాయిన్ మెథడ్ యాక్సెప్ట్స్ ఏ పారామీటర్. యూ ఫర్గెట్ అబౌట్ ఇట్, రైట్? రైట్, పారామీటర్. వెరీ గుడ్ నాలెడ్జ్. అంటే ఏమంటాం మనం? మెమరీ పవర్. Join method accept a parameter to separate the array values. To separate the array values, whereas it doesn't have the any parameter, right? It does not accept any parameter, does not accept any parameter. Okay now, right? Okay, you got the clarity. Already రాశారు ఇది. Okay na, right. Next very important method, split. This string method. These two methods are what, Andy? These two are array methods. They are the array methods. Already you written in the array. No need to write it. Now, what is the another method I have? Split is a method. What is the method called? Split. What is split method can do? Split anybody. By using this method, we can convert. We can convert what we can convert. We can convert by using this method. We can convert what this is doing. This method convert an array into a string. Opposite of join method is split and then tell me please. We can convert a string into an array. Write the point. We can convert a string into an array. Without join method and split method, there is no real time. I already told you in the array. Again, I'm telling you, no join and no split. Asla application లేదు. 100% or 99% you will use join and split method. Join and split method. Okay, na? Right. Let us show you the join method. Okay, first let me go with an array. Let ARR is equal to I am writing an array. Watch it carefully. I want to tell you both join method again, split method again. Both we are going to discuss. Otherwise, మీరు ఇదే చూడండి పోనీ str.split split అండి split method. What it is going to be string. Upon the string, I'm applying split method. What split method can do? It will convert the string into an array. I'm not passing anything in this. Just I'm going to log the statement. Console.log split method I'm printing. If you can print in the console, what is the output I can get? And you see the output is going to be welcome to JavaScript. Welcome to JavaScript I'm getting. All is going to be array na? All array. Okay? This is going to be an element into the array. Actually, this is a string. Because of applying split method, what happened? That string is kept into an array. That means what? Converted into an array. To split with space. I'm having some space now. Now what is going to happen? This string contain spaces. How many spaces? Two spaces. Then obviously you observe the array. In the array you have three values. Welcome is an value, two is a value, and JavaScript is a value. Can you see what this method is doing? Right. What it is going to be finally? This is an array. This is an array. What split method can do? Split method can convert a string into array. Write the point. Right. What is the output you are going to get? This is the output you are going to get there. Write this array also. This is the string. Upon the string, you are applying what? Split method. Then right. So now let us take an array this time, or else take this array. Same array I'm taking. Okay, na? Let ARR is equal to an array. What does the array contain? Some values like this. How to convert this array into string again? ARR dot join with a space. Then what is going to be happen? The entire array is going to be converted into a string only. Remember carefully, this is going to be converted into string. Can you see this example now? So above is an array, below is again what? That array again converted into string. Okay. What is the common separator here? Here also space, here also space. Okay. What is when you are splitting? What is the separator you are using? When you are joining also, it is the same separator. Otherwise, if you are using hash separator here, then what is going to be happen now? You see, string is going to be welcome hash to JavaScript hash. It's coming like this, right? No need. So see, what is it doing here? So here, the string is converted into an array. Here, the array is converted into string, right? Split and join methods are available in Java, .NET, Python, PHP. Wherever you go, these two methods are available. That much important these two methods are. You check Java if you know Java. You know Python, check Python also. If you know PHP, check PHP also. The alternative equivalent methods are available there also. Write this. Write the below one. This is what join method. Join method is a part of JavaScript. Then right. Now you tell me please this one same scenario. One more scenario I'm going to do here. Here we have join method, right? Split method. Okay. str dot split split we used and we see like this. Space means what? So we are separating the elements with space so that so how many spaces are there? Those many elements are going to be created now in the array. Now you see the array contains three elements. Look at I'm taking only double quote open close. No space inside. Then tell me what is the output? Split method will always convert string into an array. If you're writing space, array contain three values. First of all, if there is no space, what is the output and the whole string is into one array, one element in the whole string is one element as an array. If I can write double quote space now, what happening? Three elements are going to be there in the array. No space, just double quote open close or single quote open close. What is the output there? There are 21 elements in the array. Each and every element will become value of an array. Remember carefully this important scenario. Each and every element in the array is the part of each and every character, not element. Each and every character of the string is becoming a part of an array. Can you see the beauty of this method is very important this scenario, including space. You see at the line number 7 you have space. Space is also an character, right? That's why you're getting space also. Welcome to JavaScript. All you are getting this now. Check it carefully. Write it. You done? Right. So what is the output then? Array contain 21 elements in the array. Space 3 elements only. No space. All the character is going to be the part of element, array element. Okay, right. It will be like this. Split to join. Without that, we cannot imagine any kind of application development. They are always the combination in the real time. Right. str. Next one, index of. Index of. I'm finding for wo. Tell me what index of method will do. What index of method will do?
Index of particular element.
Index of method. We have index of. We have last index of. O capital, last index of. We have includes method. We have includes method also. We have three methods are there. Index of, last index of, include. Same methods available in array. Same definition, same result here also. But that is applied on array. This is applied on string. So string index also starts with 0. ఒక note point రాయండి ఇక్కడ. Note. String index starts with 0. String index starts with 0. Array index also starts with 0. And string have index, array is also having index. String is also having index, so array is also having index. Done? Right. So I'm not writing definitions. You want to write definition? What it will do? Chapandi? By using this method, this method, we can find we can find our search. Anyone kada? Find our search for a string or a character. In array, we can search for an element in the array, but here it is not array, it is a string. In the string we can search for a word or a string or a character. We can write it. We can search for a string or a character or word. We can search for a string or a character or a word, right? In a string, if that founds, it will return the position of the character or a word or string, otherwise written -1. Same story, -1, -1. So by using this method, we can find or search for a string or a character or word in a string. In a string, okay now? Right. In a string. If that found, it will returns position of the string or character. String or character. Otherwise returns -1. Okay na? -1. And this will find the last occurrence, the first occurrence. It will finds the first occurrence of the character only. Finds the first occurrence of a string or character. Obviously, that is index of method. What is the last index of method? Same point. No, nothing difference is there in the last index. What is the thing? Last occurrence only 1 point. What is the definition for this, Sandy? Includes method. What includes method will do? We can fetch for a string or a character. If that string or word founds, it will return true. It will return true. Otherwise, it returns false. That's all. It will find the last occurrence. No occurrence. But if it is there, that's enough, right? See the three methods, same point. But the only thing is what? That is for string. This is for an array. Three methods are available in that and in this. Done. Three methods are same and the same methods are available in array also, here also. Okay, let's come here now. So otherwise you can copy paste the same points here, no problem. Right, just I'm going to like index of o, console.log of what is the index of o, and at what position o is there. Actually two times o is repeated, one is welcome co, other one is 2. Now if you can refresh the page now, you see index of o is at fourth position. Okay, actually fourth is actually, that is fifth actually, but w in 0 position, 1 position, second position, third position, and it is going to be fourth position. Okay, right, if you can write the last index of, if you can write it, then what the output you are going to get, last I capital, last index of O means 2, at 2 is at what position, at ninth position. Now I am writing capital O, but do we have capital O in the string? No capital O, obviously you will get a -1 if you found +1, sorry, the position, otherwise you are going to get a -1. Okay, now you see I want to use the method called includes method. What is the method called? Includes is a method. What includes method you tell you? False. Why false? And the capital O is not there. Not only character, మీరు ఒక string కూడా set చేయొచ్చు. See, I am writing Java. Is there Java in the string? Yes, it is there, na. So obviously, what it will find, it not only string, you can find for a word or a character. That's why see, what is the point I written here? We can search for a string or a character or a word. A big sentence, a small character, one word also we can identify. So not only the particular thing, right? So what this method will do? Return true, false. This method will give you the -1, otherwise position, but last occurrence. What this method can do? The first occurrence only. Yeah, first occurrence and last occurrence will be like this. Okay now, right? Hello. Next one is going to be three methods. Okay, check these methods. No time. Okay. SUB SUB other one is going to be slice method. Slice method. SUB. Okay, no problem. Right. Three methods are there. Substring S capital. Right. We have three methods: slice, substring, and SUB. All these three methods will look like the same job. That we can get a substring from a string. We have a very big string. I don't want all the string. I want to get a small substring from a string. ఇప్పుడు just what is the example I want to tell you? You go to the website. You have a blog article. Can you see the blog article? Under the every blog article, if you can see the description, see we are not writing all the description. After that, we are getting dot dot dot. After that, we are having read more. Actually, on click this, what is going to be happen? I'm getting the complete information of the blog. Okay, how to get, this is all the whole string. In the whole string I want to get the specific string only, substring, that is called substring. Getting a string from a string. The string is having 1000 characters. I want first 50 characters only. I want to get first 50 characters only. The string contains 1000 words. I want to get first 25 words only, or middle 25 words only, last 25 words only. That is called getting substring from a string. And to get a substring from a string, we have the following concept called, this is the following: substring, slice, and a string substring, maybe S capital. In this, anyone is deprecated, I think, I don't know, but we will see the methods. After that we will go and check it. Okay, now, right, no worries about it. First see the method. All these three methods we will do same job. Right, right, the three methods. By using the above methods, we can get substring from a string. Slice method you understand in array, same way it will work in the string also. Work, that is for cutting an array, this is for cutting a string. By using the above methods, we can get a substring from a string. Remember carefully, all of you. 1 minute. Are you writing these methods, sir? Okay, write it, no problem. Shall we go and take this now? All the 3 minutes at a time. Observation is very important. Observe the things. Okay, right. I'm going to write this. str dot slic slice. What is the first method? Slice method. Console dot log it. Okay, what is the 3 methods purpose? Only we can get a substring from a string. Right, 3 methods. The method other one is going to be sub str. Other one is going to be sub string substring. 3 methods are there. I'm not passing anything in the 3 methods. Just I'm going to run the file. If you can run the file in the console, what are you getting in the console? Oh, what is the method? Substring is not a function. Small s, sir. Let us take small s maybe. Yeah, you refresh the page now. Fine. All are getting not capless. I think you make small s. Okay, right. So do you have any difference you observe? We have 3 methods. I'm not passing anything inside of it. I'm getting like this, right? This is going to be 3, 3, 3. All 3 I passed. What is 3? Position. That is the start position. 3 means what in the string? C. C-O-M-E. C-O-M-E. That is C actually. Okay, na? What is the output now you are going to get? If I refresh the page, you see, come to JavaScript, come to JavaScript, come to. Okay? All the 3 methods are doing the same job. Okay, that is also giving the substring. Okay, very good. Now you see, here I am writing. All of you see this carefully. 3 comma 8, 3 comma 8, 3 comma 8. Then start position or end position. Right, start position or end position. First you observe these 2 method difference. Okay, now all of you see this carefully. 3 comma 8. What is the 3 comma 8? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And up to T. And then 3 to 8. Let us refresh the page. You are going to get come. Space is also there. Wow, maybe 1 minute, please. Let's write 1 to 5. 1 to 5 I'm writing. Okay, na? 1 to 5. What is 1 to 5? 1 to 5. E L M E. See guys here. This is 0 na. All of you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is 0? What is 1? 1 is E. 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the output I can get? ELCO na ELCOM ma? ELCO. Last index is not included in array. The same thing is also here. Let's go and check this now. Is it repeated? Now you see ELCO and not M. Same array also na. Last element is not included. Here also not element is not included. Now you observe this carefully. What is another method I have? SUB str 1 comma 5. Can anybody guess what is the output? So here ELCO. Here also ELCO. Anybody guess what is the output of it? ELCOM or E also? ELCOM. Okay. Okay. Now let us go and refresh the page now. What is the output? ELCOM. What's the difference? Remember, not last index. This is length. Length. This is the what? Start position or end position. Start position or end position. Start position comma length. Total number of elements. Total number of characters you want from first position to, that's what length actually. That is not position. So what I want to tell you in place of the syntax is here if you written already. So remember sub str. So what is it? This is going to be start position comma length you will get. So next one is going to be substring substring. start position, and here you have end position, very important thing, end position. And next one is going to be slice is also contain start position, end position, very important thing. So SUB STR contains what? Length, not the position. Length means what? 1 comma 5 means what? 1 to 5 characters you are going to get. So in this, what is happening? Start position, end position. You are not getting end position. End position -1 you are getting. If you are writing 5, you are getting 5 -1 you are getting. You are not getting end position, right? That observation is very important. What are you observing when you are practicing? This is very important thing. And now, okay. So one difference we observed. What is the one difference? Substring contain position comma length, but these two are same now. But what is the difference between these two? Shall we see? Let's go there. Now you observe this. I understand what this substring is doing. Okay, let me keep this into comment. Okay, but you observe this. This is giving same thing. No? Then why we need two methods then? Getting same thing. Okay, all of you see this carefully. I'm writing -5. The slice method. What is -5? -5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. CRIPT crypt. Are you going to get it? Let us see. Are you getting CRIPT crypt? Yeah. So here also, if you can provide -5, what is the output? Same? No, same. You are getting the whole string. What is the meaning of it? Both are same. Slice method accept negative indexes. Substring does not accept negative indexes. That is the only difference between these two methods. All are same. What is the one and only difference? Slice method accept positive indexes. Slice method accepts positive indexes only. Oh, sorry. Slice method positive and negative indexes. Positive and negative indexes. Whereas substring method does not accepts negative indexes. Negative indexes. అదేనండి డిఫరెన్స్ అన్ని సేమ్ ఇంకా. But substring is what? SUV is what? Length. There is a length. See how confusion these methods are. They are important for interviews. ఇప్పుడు నాకు కూడా I have also confusion. By seeing the output, I avoid the confusion. ఓకేనా? నేను మీ ముందు బయటపడకూడదు కదా నాకు రాదని, అందుకని నేను అవుట్పుట్ చూసి ఓహో ఇది 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 అని ఐ గాట్ ద క్లారిటీ. See when you will remember all these methods ante when you are practicing you will get the things remembered everywhere every time. Okay na? Right, fine. Let's continue tomorrow with some more methods in the string library, guys. Okay, practice these methods and examples.